What's up? Welcome back. My name is Kayla. My sign name is Kayla. And today we're going to be talking about are hearing aids waterproof and all of that. So I got my first hearing aid when I was around 10, and then I got new ones because I got older and they just wore out. And one of the main reasons why I now don't wear my hearing aids at age 24 is because I kind of hate that it amplifies everything. I can't really control it to amplify the thing I want it to. And mine's not waterproof. Like if I sweat, it's not waterproof. Like the batteries die all the time. The batteries are expensive. Just because I can turn it up and turn it down doesn't mean like it amplifies what I want. And it's just so much easier if I read lips. But yeah, one of the biggest things is it's not waterproof. So yeah,